So, good morning. Now today we are going to start a new topic, haloalkanes and haloarenes. So in this topic, first we discuss classification. So in the classification, first one is on the basis of number of halogen atom. So it is of three types. First one is monohydric alcohol. So it have only one halogen atom bonded to the carbon atom CX. Second one, dihydric alcohol. It have two halogen atom bonded to the carbon atom. And third one is dihydric alcohol. It have three halogen atom bonded to carbon atom. So on the basis of halogen atom, we can classify it into three parts: monohydric alcohol, dihydric alcohol, and trihydric alcohol. Now next is these are the given aliphatic compounds. Aliphatic compounds means straight chain compounds. So the halogen atom X replaced by Cl atom, or maybe Br, or maybe I. So it have only one, so it is known as monohaloalkanes, and it have two, so it is known as di. And third one is it have three halogen atom, so it is trihalogen compound. Now next is haloarenes. In this compound a benzene ring is present. Okay, so same as the classification based on the same halogen atom. It have only one halogen atom, first one, monohaloalkanes. Di have two and tri have three. So mono, di and trihaloarenes are classified on the basis of halogen atom 1, 2 and 3. Now next is monohalo compounds may be further classified on the basis of hybridization. So hybridization we had discussed in 11th class. So it is a second one is these compounds contain Sp3 C-X Bond. So it is of three types. First one is alkyl halide. So alkyl halide form a homologous series represented by CnH2n plus 1 X bond, and we can further classify into three parts. These are primary, secondary and tertiary haloalkanes. So we can classify it on the basis of R. R means alkyl radical. So it have only one, so known as primary haloalkanes. It have two alkyl radical, so it is known as secondary haloalkanes, and it have three haloalkanes, so it is known as tertiary haloalkanes. Now next is allylic halides. So in this compound, halogen atom is bonded to sp3 hybridized carbon atom. This is halogen atom bonded to this carbon atom. It is sp3 hybridized, and next to CC double bond. So same conditions are given in with the ring. This is not a benzene ring. Okay, a simple ring is given. Now third is benzylic halide. So same as in this compound, halogen atom is bonded to the carbon atom, that is sp3 hybridized, and next to an aromatic ring. So this is known as benzylic halide. Now third one is it contains Sp2 C-X Bond. So these are known as, first one is vinylic halide. In these compounds, the halogen atom is bonded to an sp2, it is given sp2 hybridized carbon atom of CC double bond. So this halogen atom is bonded to this carbon atom, one carbon atom is here, it is sp2 hybridized and of CC double bond, same as in ring. Now next is benzene ring will be there. Aryl means haloarenes, so they always have a benzene ring. So these are the compounds in which halogen atom is bonded to the sp2 hybridized carbon atom of an aromatic ring. So now today we have discussed what is haloalkanes and haloarenes and its classification. So now next class we'll discuss preparation of haloalkanes and haloarenes. Thank you.